Okay, welcome to the Lucas Real Estate Podcast. Why is it a podcast and not just a video? I don't know. It's what the kids are doing these days. So here we go. We are going to talk about the Prop 19 slightly adjusted inflationary amount. Those of you that have been following our articles or videos know that Prop 19 is essentially a death tax on inherited property. Went into effect February 2021. We're now a little past the 2-year anniversary. What they were required to do, what they did do, was adjust that $1 million cap to account for inflation. Now, what that means, the cap real quick, you need to read another article. Basically, if you have a property, you get the inherited basis, whatever the basis is. Look at your property tax bill to see what the basis is. This is not the fair market value. It's the basis that you're currently paying on the property tax bill. So you could have $1 million house that still has a $300,000 basis. You're going to take that basis and you're able to add $1 million to it. And then whatever the fair market value is, if it exceeds those two numbers combined, then they're going to ding you additional taxes, assuming you otherwise qualify for the other benefits. Way too much to go over in Prop 19 to recap it in this video podcast, but you can do that in our other articles and videos. What we're talking about right now is that $1 million number. It has been adjusted for inflation. Drum roll, please. The powers that be have decided that in the past 2 years, inflation in real estate apparently only rose by 2.26%. You heard me correctly. Anyone that's been following real estate knows that inflation and real estate have gone up far than 2.26% in the last 2 years, but nevertheless, the Board of Equalization, using the Federal Housing Finance Agency numbers, came up with that amount. So that $1 million has now gone up to $1,022,600. $1,022,600. So now you take your original basis, you add $1,022,600 to it, and then that new number is basically the amount that you can be up to on the fair market value. If the fair market value of the house exceeds that number, then you're going to get taxed on the difference. If the fair market value is below that number, and if you otherwise qualify for the other two Prop 19 rules, then that will work. So, hope that makes sense. Head on over to our website, lucasrealestate.com. That's got hyphens, lucas-real-estate.com. You can subscribe to our newsletter, subscribe to our YouTube channel, do whatever it is that floats your boat, and we'll try to get you as much information as possible. As always, we're available for consultations. We do charge for that. Our advice on the internet is free, but if you'd like to meet in person for an hour and go over your particular property, we love doing that. You can book directly on our website. Thank you so much. Until next time.